दोतोर हालीं आमी पळयता तुमी फाटीं रिएक्टीव जाले की जशा तरेन सद्या वातावरण चल्लां वेलिंगकरांचेर कंप्लेनूय केली लोकांनी आतां सगळे कडेन प्रोटेस्ट सद्या चालू आहा. सो हो इश्यू तुमी तुमच्या वटेनच्यान कशा तरेन पळयता आनी तुमकां कितें दिसता की कशा तरेन एक्शन जावपा जाय हेचेर?
एक सांगता हांव तुका. I had not gone public, but because you're asking this question, some people have consulted me, and some lawyers also consulted me, and I have settled some complaints which are to be filed against Wellinger. कित्याक enough is enough. हो मनीस वर्सान उब जाता, जाग जाता आनी सान फ्रांसीस जावेराचे आमचे गोंयचे साहेबाचेर उलयता. So there has to be a limit to which patience of our people, आमचे गोंयकाराचे पासयेंस आसपाचो आहा. It's not just Catholics who have come, it is even Hindus who have come and spoken to me, and they want action against him. They लोकाचे मनान आहा की एक हात जाग केला, not just because of exposition, but they are believing that this is a ploy of the government to try to put him up, to hide what is going on, deficiencies of the government, the fighting in the government, the non-performance, and the complete failure of the administration to cover up and to divert attention. लोकांची हें आसात. That's why people are come on the road. Others people are very peaceful. तूं जाण आमके गोंयकार, they don't come like this. And we have people who are coming to make sure that justice must be done, and आमचे नानी सोसूं जायना म्हण.
हितून तुमकां अशें दिसना जर की तुमी म्हणटा एक वटेन की सरकार मुद्दाम करता हें आनी तितून पूण गोंयकारां मदीं खंय तरी एक हेट्रेड तयार जावपाक शकता रिलिजियस जे
एक हांव सांगता तुमकां. म्हाका धाडलो ते प्रमाणे म्हाका सांगलां तें सुभाष वेलिंगकर सब्जेक्ट टू कन्फर्मेशन. म्हाका धाडलें तें आर्टिकल तेगे स्पीच ट्रान्स्क्रिप्ट धाडलो ती. सांगला सान फ्रांसीस जावेर शिवाजीचो उलयतालो म्हण. ही वॉज कर्सिंग शिवाजी फ्रॉम द पल्पीट म्हण. हिस्ट्री तूं म्हणनात. शिवाजी वॉज बॉर्न 100 years आफ्टर सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर डायड. So how could he speak about Chhatrapati Shivaji? This is misleading. This is trying to create a divide. You understanding? By spreading false statements, rumors, and lokak pishan kadpak. Because Goans believe. Mullah, they believe. They don't go to verify. So this is what I'm trying to tell you. One of the instances. So I think that in loka divide korpak, this is a program of the BJP, and people may not be wrong in feeling that he is being used. Otherwise, silence of the government is deafening. CM statement dillo, we will take action. Finally now Bisholi police, I am told, has registered FIR. I don't know what sections, but government should have been swift. The moment you take swift action, sogle zagyar pottat. You allow it to escalate. You want to test the water, and then you sheepishly take action, and you try to give some statistics of something happening, that thing happening, and use your party people to start giving press statements just to divert issues. I don't agree with it.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.